You don't need to isolate if you've been a contact and you're a healthy child. And we need to help walk people through what that's going to look like in the coming days.
Kids can still go to daycare even if in close contact with someone who has COVID-19. That's the message from Dr. Bonnie Henry as parents worry for their children's safety in childcare and at schools.
I just had this image of, parents testing positive and dropping their kids off at daycare so that they could get some rest. It's really upsetting. I also have a friend whose child has tested positive at the elementary school level, and her, cohort friend said to her, "Oh, well, but your younger kid can go to school because Dr. Henry said that, if there's a positive in the house, as long as the kids don't have symptoms, they don't have to isolate."
North Vancouver mother of two, Pamela Gunther, has felt overwhelmed trying to gauge whether it's safe to send her kids to school. Her daughter was going in person to class part-time, but due to the increase in cases and the reduction in school transmission notices, she says as of January, she is now fully back to at-home learning.
The reduction of notification, to say it nicely, by public health, and the encouragement by the government for children to go to school when we don't necessarily feel like there are adequate safety measures in place, made it hard. I do feel really bad for the teachers.
There is more that can be done to make schools safer than they currently are.
Schools have started to have to shut down due to lack of staff, off work because of COVID-19. On Tuesday, the Abbotsford School District announced the functional closure of 2 high schools, meaning nearly 3,000 students will be staying home until next Monday so staff can recover from the virus.
Of course, we've been concerned about this all along. In December, we were talking about our concern about a lot of functional closures happening because there just aren't enough health and safety measures in place in schools right now.
For Gunther, she plans on keeping both her children home for the foreseeable future.
It's a tricky thing, and until it's only as bad as a common cold, I think until we know as much about it as a common cold too, there are lots of question marks, right? So yeah.
In New Westminster, Ashley Burr, City News.